Assalamualaikum. Hey young coders, welcome to our Square 3.0 tutorial. Today we are going to create a fun hide and show project. Let's get started. First you have to open your Square 3.0. The first step is choose a sprite. So this sprite will come on your screen by default. Click here and choose any one sprite which you like. Okay, like I'm going to choose you have to scroll, you have to search what do you want. Like I'm going to choose this one, Visit Curl. Now click on it, it will come on your screen. Okay, and you can choose your any favorite character. Now the second one is choose a backdrop. And you can choose any one backdrop, like let's choose this one. Okay, I like this one for this character. So the next step is how we can add codes. So this is a script area. Here you have to drag the codes from here. Okay, so let's start. First the codes make our sprites appear on the screen. Drag the, like when you drag the show and hide block, your sprite will hide and it will come on your screen again. You can see your sprite properly. Okay, so the game is when we click the flag, go to the event block. When we click the green flag, you can increase the size of the blocks from here. Okay, now add a hide block. You have to choose, go to the looks block, and here is hide and show block. Okay, you can drag the both blocks here. Now choose forever block, go to the control block, choose it, it will come here. Now you have to click this one or this one, it's up to you. Okay, and wait a second, and then again apply this one, hide, and again apply the control block. Wait a second. Okay, whenever our sprite show, it will wait for 2 seconds or 1 second, then it will hide. When it will hide, it will take again more 1 or 2 seconds, जो भी आप इसके अंदर एंटर करेंगे, then it will appear on your screen. Okay, like you can click here and you can edit it and you can apply 2 seconds. Okay, now let's start. And the game is, you have to go and maximize it. When we click the flag, the sprite will disappear and the sprite will show again. Okay, these are the simple codes you can apply and make your game. You can use another background, and you can use, or you can add another sprite. You can show the blocks, you can add more blocks to make it fun. Okay, Allah Hafiz.